Hello everyone, CA Pratik Gujarati here. Welcome to another interesting and important video of how to file FCRA annual return, that is form FC4. Okay, before going to the live demo of filing of this FC4 return, I'll just brief you what are the consequences of not filing of this return within due date. Okay, consequence number 1 is penalty. The amount of penalty is rupees 1 lakh or 5% of total foreign donations received during the year, whichever is higher. Okay, so penalty is at heavy side. Okay, consequence number 2 is foreign donors who are going to donate to our trust or institution are obviously going to be the corporate donors. Okay, so the finance team of corporate donors are going to check online whether this trust or institution has completed all their compliances of FCRA within time. Okay, so if you have completed these compliances, then they are going to donate you without any hesitation. Okay, and consequence number 3, if you fail to file form FC4 as well as form FC6C, then foreign cell of Ministry of Home Department will block your FCRA bank account. Okay, so the consequences, all the consequences are harsh and rigorous. Okay, so to avoid all these consequences, I suggest you to complete all these compliances within due date. Okay, so before going to the live demo, I'll suggest you to keep handy list of few scanned documents, okay, which I have already provided in the description itself. So keep all these scanned documents in one folder so that we'll be able to upload those documents while uploading this form FC4. Okay, so let's go to the live demo of filing of this FC4 form. Okay, so now we are on the website fcraonline.nic.in, Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, friends, don't forget to keep the documents which I have earlier mentioned in the same folder so that we'll be able to easily upload those documents. Okay, so now we are going services under FCRA. All the FCRA online forms are over here. We are going to FC4 intimation annual returns. So click to apply online. Okay. So this is the login page of FC4. Okay. We are putting the login credentials of FCRA registered organization over here. CAPTCHA and login. Okay, so this is the first page of FC4 where you will get all the master details of FCRA registered organization. Okay, you just have to confirm all these details, go through properly. These are the basic details like name of organization, contact details, etc. And below are the FC4 annual returns. The list is since this institution must have started filing FC4. Okay, so we are going to file for block year 2019-20. Okay, we have already put few details in this 2019-2020 form. That's why it is showing it as partially filled FCRA annual return. Okay, so click. This is the penalty warning tab. You just have to confirm this, which we have earlier discussed in our video, 1 lakh or 5% of foreign contribution, etc. So now this is the first tab of FC4, and as this return is tab wise form. Okay, 15 to 16 tabs are over here almost, and this is the first tab. You just have to bifurcate foreign contribution into directly from foreign source and from local source. Okay, so put all these figures and don't forget to update the data, before going forward. So the next tab is for other income. Okay, this might include your interest portion as well. So put these figures and save the data, then system will auto calculate the penalty amount. Okay, here see 1 lakh ka portion of penalty is not levied by system because we haven't received the foreign contribution directly from foreign source. Okay, that's why 1 lakh ka portion is not levied by system. This is a tab where you have to put the purpose wise foreign contribution, if any. Okay, now donors list. This is the accumulated list of donors. This might be added every year. Okay, you just have to select the donor from which we have received the donation during this financial year and move forward. In the next tab, this donors details will reflect automatically. Okay, donors name, address from which you have received the donation during this year. This is the FC receipt tally tab. Once you put all the figures, system will cross check whether it is tallying or not. In our case, see, this is in the green color, tallied, so it is tallying, and if it wouldn't have tallied, it would have in the red color, not tallied. Okay, so next tab is for project wise foreign contribution details. So this is the utilization tab where you have to put bifurcate the expenditure utilization into capex or administrative expense. Update the data and move forward. This is a tab where you have to put the assets addition. I mean, if any fresh assets have been purchased during this financial year, then you have to put. This is the important tab. Government has mandatorily instructed to open the FCRA bank account in SBI New Delhi branch. So you have to put all the details of that bank over here, update the data and move forward. Okay, so now next tab is for FCRA bank account which was earlier before opening of SBI account. So put all the details over here, including bank email, bank telephone as well, and move forward. So next tab is in the questionnaire format. You just have to answer in yes or no format. Please answer carefully. Okay, carefully read all the questions and then answer all the questions. Okay, next tab is for if during the year any foreign contribution is transferred to any person or association. So put the details of those persons and association and move forward. Okay, next tab is for unutilized foreign contribution. That might be of investment in term deposit. Okay, so you have to put the details and move forward. This is a tab of land and building remain unutilized for more than 2 years. Okay, if any, you have to put the location wise details of land and building over here and move forward. Okay, now this is the important tab of uploading the documents. Now you have to check the description and accordingly you have to upload the documents. Okay, this is the scanned copies you have to upload. We have already uploaded the documents for saving our time. That's why it is showing as view. I mean view signature, view seal stamp, view document. This is the example I am showing you. We have already uploaded this. Okay, so these are the basic details of organization: signature, seal, duly signed CA certificate, declaration certificate. Okay. Audited statement of accounts duly certified by chartered accountant, which should include receipt payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet as well. Okay, and don't forget to upload bank statement duly certified by officer of such bank. Okay, that is compulsory. Officer of bank should compulsorily stamp and sign the statement and move forward. Please confirm before clicking on final submit button. Okay, now there is a warning: modifications are not allowed after paying the penalty amount. Please verify the content before paying the amount. Okay, now this is the draft copy of FC4 written. You just have to download it for your future reference, as I am downloading it into my system. Okay, go through it once, and then verification tab, and you have to put the mail address of receiving the acknowledgement, where the FC4 acknowledgement is going to receive from FCRA department. Okay, don't forget to put the email address, and this is the penalty tab. Okay, you just have to confirm this penalty and go for payment tab. Move forward. Once the payment is done, it will automatically log out your page, and once again we'll have to log in. This is the list, block year wise list of FC4 filed. Now here you can see the FC4 is already submitted for 1920. Okay, and this is the final FC4 acknowledgement. So friends, we have seen the live demo of filing of FC4 return. Okay, so while filing of this FC4 return, if you face any kind of difficulty, please raise a query in the comment, and also don't forget to watch other important videos in the FCRA series. Okay, thanks for watching this video.